Here's a simple and delicious coffee recipe to get you going. How about a vanilla iced coffee? Ingredients: 1 cup of strong brewed coffee, chilled, 1/4 cup milk or cream, or a milk alternative, 1 tablespoon vanilla syrup, or adjust to taste. Ice cubes, optional. Sweetener, sugar, honey, etc. Instructions. 1. Brew your coffee strong and let it cool in the fridge for a while. 2. Once chilled, fill a glass with ice cubes. 3. Pour the cooled coffee over the ice. 4. Add the milk and vanilla syrup, or sweetener if you like it sweeter. 5. Stir well to combine, and enjoy. Feel free to adjust the sweetness or creaminess based on your preference. You can even blend it if you want a smoother texture. How do you usually like your coffee?